Hey there, fellow adventurers! Are you ready to revolutionize the way you travel? Buckle up, because I am about to share some mind-blowing hacks that lines make your next trip smoother than a first-class upgrade. Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or a nervous newbie, these genius tips will have you traveling like a pro in no time. So grab your passport and let us dive into the world of travel secrets that lines change your life. First up, let us talk packing smarts, because nobody wants to lug around a suitcase that feels like it's filled with bricks. Trust me, I've been there and it's not fun. But fear not, my friends, because I've got some game-changing tricks up my sleeve. Ever tried rolling your clothes instead of folding them? It's like magic. You'll fit way more in your bag, and bonus, fewer wrinkles. And don't even get me started on packing cubes. These little fabric lifesavers will organize your suitcase like Marie Kondo on steroids. You'll wonder how you ever traveled without them. But wait, there's more! Let's talk about maximizing space in ways you never thought possible. Stuff your shoes with socks and underwear. It's like playing Tetris, but with your belongings. And here's a pro tip. Wear your bulkiest items on the plane. That heavy jacket, it's your new travel pillow. Those chunky boots, they're keeping your feet cozy at 30,000 feet. See, you're already packing smarter. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty of travel, budgeting. I know, it's not the sexiest topic, but hear me out. What if I told you there are ways to save serious cash on your trips without sacrificing the fun? First off, flights. Ever heard of the incognito browser trick? It's like wearing an invisibility cloak while you search for deals. Airlines can't track your searches and jack up the prices. Mind blown, but we're just getting started. Loyalty programs are your new best friend. Sign up for everything: airlines, hotels, even car rentals. Those points add up faster than you think, and before you know it, you're sipping champagne in business class. Okay, maybe not that fast, but a traveler can dream, right? And don't forget about credit card rewards. Choose the right card, and you'll be racking up miles faster than you can say bon voyage. When it comes to accommodation, think outside the hotel box. Hostels aren't just for backpackers anymore. Many offer private rooms that are a fraction of the cost of hotels. And have you tried house sitting? It's like having a free home away from home, often in some pretty swanky digs. Just remember to water the plants and feed the cat. Alright, now that we've got you packed and booked, let's talk about navigating like a local. Because nothing screams tourist louder than being glued to Google Maps with a confused look on your face. First things first, download offline maps before you go. It's like having a psychic tour guide in your pocket, minus the crystal ball. And public transport? It's your ticket to authentic local experiences and major savings on taxes. Here's a game changer: get a local SIM card. It's usually way cheaper than international roaming, and you'll have data to Instagram your heart out without selling a kidney to pay for it. Plus, you can use apps like Citymapper to navigate public transport like a boss. You'll be zipping around the city like you were born there. Now, let us talk about something that is not as fun but oh so important: staying safe and healthy on your travels. First up, travel insurance. I know, it seems like a waste of money until you need it. Trust me, it's worth every penny for the peace of mind alone. And while we're on the subject of peace of mind, pack a basic first aid kit. It doesn't have to be fancy, just some bandages, pain relievers, and any personal meds you need. It's like having a tiny doctor in your bag. And here is a tip that lines save you from the dreaded traveler's tummy. Always carry a reusable water bottle. Not only is it great for the environment, but you can also fill it up with safe drinking water wherever you go. Staying hydrated is key to avoiding jet lag and feeling your best while exploring. Speaking of which, did you know that eating meals at your destination's local time can help reset your body clock? It's like time travel for your stomach. Let's geek out for a moment and talk tech and gadgets. First on your packing list should be a good power bank. It's like a life support system for your devices. No more panic when your phone dies just as you're trying to find your Airbnb. And don't forget a universal adapter. It's the Swiss Army knife of travel gadgets, ready to charge your stuff no matter what weird outlet you encounter. As for apps, oh boy, where do I start? There are so many great ones out there, but here are my top picks. Google Translate for those "what on earth does this menu say" moments. Zcursi for quick conversions, so you don't accidentally spend $50 on a coffee, and TripIt to keep all your bookings organized in one place. With these in your arsenal, you'll be navigating foreign lands like a tech-savvy Indiana Jones. Now, let's dive into some unexpected solutions for common travel woes. Jet lag got you feeling like a zombie? Try this. As soon as you land, go for a walk outside. The natural light helps reset your body clock faster than you can say time zone. And here is a weird one that works. Wear sunglasses in the evening at your destination to trick your body into thinking it's nighttime. It's like being a secret agent, but for sleep. Managing currency can be a headache, but here's a tip. Use a no foreign transaction fee credit card for most purchases and only get a small amount of local cash for emergencies. It's safer and you'll get better exchange rates. And speaking of money, here's a sneaky trick. Keep some cash in different spots in your luggage. It's like having your own personal ATM scattered throughout your belongings. Here is a hack that lines make you feel like a travel wizard. Bring a couple of dryer sheets in your suitcase. Not only will they keep your clothes smelling fresh, but they also repel mosquitoes. It's like having a force field against those pesky bugs. And for those long flights or bus rides, pack a tennis ball. Rolling it under your feet or against your back can help relieve tension and improve circulation. Who knew a little yellow ball could be such a travel lifesaver? And finally, here's my ultimate travel hack. Embrace the unexpected. Sometimes the best experiences come from those unplanned moments, the wrong turn that leads to a hidden gem of a restaurant, or the conversation with a local that turns into a lifelong friendship. So there you have it, fellow travelers, a treasure trove of hacks to make your next trip absolutely epic. From packing like a pro to navigating foreign lands with ease, you're now armed with the knowledge to travel smarter, not harder. Remember, the world is full of amazing experiences just waiting for you to discover them. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and start exploring. Safe travels, and don't forget to send me a postcard from your next adventure.